Who is it going to be? Benjamin Pavard, Clair or Edmond Who? Edmond is from Burkina Faso. Clair is from France. Benjamin Pavard is also from France. He plays for Bayern Munich, currently plays for Nice, currently plays for Bayern Leverkusen. Who among these gentlemen right here is 100% good enough to be Harry Maguire's replacement? The coach, Eric Ten Hag, has picked these three gentlemen out to be, one of them will possibly be Harry Maguire's replacement. Who is it going to be? Remember, I said earlier that Westham United has now agreed in principle with Manchester United to buy Harry Maguire for £30 million. But Man U is still looking at all possibility, going through the document to make sure that after they sell Harry Maguire to West Ham, there will not be anything linking both player and club. Again, that is a little problem because even the Harry Maguire that they are dragging to buy right now has not even said yes or no, or I will think about it, or I will not think about it. Harry, the last time he spoke about this transfer issue was that he will fight for his place in the squad. The coach made it clear to him that, oh boy, you're a good player, but you're not part of my project now. You're not part of my project. Just go to a place where you will be appreciated. So going back to the matter and coming back to the matter, who among them is going to be Harry Maguire's replacement? If he finally leaves West Ham, if he finally leaves Manchester United to West Ham. Again, to all Manchester United fans that are currently in the mountain, on the mountain right now praying, pray, because you have to keep praying until Harry Maguire finally make that move from Old Trafford to West Ham United. Is it going to be Benjamin? Is it going to be Clair? Is it going to be Edmond? Who among them is good enough to occupy that position? Only time is going to, of course, tell. And on this note, I will come back without not giving you my trademark.